So guys, in this video I will let you know how you can modify a request between the get and post. So the purpose is that I will let you know how you can modify a request through the tool that is Brupsuit, right, in the Linux. So we will look at this with the practical. So but now for the understanding purpose you can look here. For example, there is a machine A. This is the machine A and this is the machine B. Machine A, type Google, for example, fb.com, and to send the request. So machine B will receive the request that is fb.com, right, and will respond to the machine A as a fb.com or fb page. But now if any attacker will change or modify your request, so how they can do that? Machine A will type fb.com and this request sending to the machine B, but in between attacker can modify your request if they hack your system, right? For example, they modified that your request machine A send fb.com, and this attacker modified, or this, maybe this is not attacker, this is tool, we can say this is tool, or this is can simple you. So you can modify the request fb.com to gmail.com and send to the machine B. Machine B is the server, right? Any server. This is not local machine, and machine A is local and machine B is not local. This is the server, right? So now machine B receive gmail.com, not fb.com. Now machine B will respond as a gmail.com to the machine A. So I will now let you know with the practical. So basically my purpose is that to showcase you to understand how we can, or third party or any attacker, or we in local means in local, how we can modify a request. Because we if we are able to modify any request, we can bypass multiple things in a website, right? So for example, there is a tool Brupsuit here. So for the Brupsuit, you can, this is the pre-installed tool basically, so you can configure that tool in your system and configure with your browser, right? So now I will type here any for example, I'm typing fb.com. So I will normally receive fb.com page, right? Whatever I type, I will receive that page. So facebook.com, so I have received this, and Google. So this is the Google. So whatever I type, I will receive. If I modified your request, so I will not receive that page. So how can I modify it? I am using Brupsuit tool. If you are not able to configure that tool, so please let me know in the comment. I will let you know how we can configure that tool. So right. So there is a proxy tab, and proxy tab in there is a intercept tab. So in this intercept, you can turn on this. So now I will get, or this tool what done, this tool capture your request first, then go to the will send to the server, right? So now if you look here, if I type fb and sorry, db, not fb, fb.com, right? If I type fb.com here, I turn on. Now I am clicking fb.com. So now I'm able to capture this request, and I will modify that request. So what I receive fb.com. So you can search, there are multiple parameters here, multiple things, but for now I am this, you can search q is equal to fb.com. So now you can modify that fb.com to whatever you want. I am writing here gmail.com, right? gmail.com. Now I'm forwarding this request and intercept is off. So if you can look, user type fb.com, but uh, that receive gmail.com. How? Because we have modified that request. So the main purpose, the main purpose is that we can modify any request before receiving to the server, or through that we can bypass multiple things. So this is the main purpose for that topic. So I will use this tool. Actually, this tool is very powerful. not we not use only for that purpose. There are multiple things, so this tool is very powerful tool. So we will use that tool in my next video to hacking purpose. So you can also look at that some area from that tool on my next video, right? So in this video, that's it, and you can visit also my another video to hack the web or pen testing purpose, right? So that's all. Thank you guys.